Canva is great, and it's a huge help when it comes to creating the interiors for my books as well as creating the cover. But when you download the JPEGs, and sometimes even the PNGs, it's not the 300 DPI that we need. So what do? I'm going to show you how to take a low-res image from Canva and turn it into a higher resolution image. So stick around. You're right, writers. Keith Wheeler here, and if you want to continue to get all the hints, tips, and tricks on how to make self-publishing easier, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Smash your little bell icon so you get alerted every time I put out a new video. Okay, so I don't want to waste a lot of time. What we're going to do is we're going to head on over to Canva, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy you can take an image that's a lower resolution than the 300 DPI that you're looking for, and how to get it over to 300 DPI. So let's get started. Here we are in Canva, and I have my image already set up. I've just named it test image, little farming picture, looking out the window, nice beautiful farm, whatever. Okay, so we're going to go to download, and I'm going to download, because I want an image, so I'm going to download a JPEG. You can do the same thing with a PNG. So here we are in the downloads folder, and here's the image. I right click on it. I'm going to select properties, and I will go to details, and as you can see, it's currently 96 DPI. That's not high enough. We want it to be 300 DPI in order to be able to use it for the paperback version on KDP. So how do we do that? Well, let's go back over to Canva and I'll show you. Here we are back in Canva, and here's what we're going to do. Instead of downloading it as a JPEG or even a PNG, we're going to click download. We're going to go to the drop down, and we're going to pick PDF print. Now I know what you're thinking, but this isn't, I don't want a PDF, I want a JPEG. Don't worry, stick with me. Click download. Now we're going to go to one of my other favorite free websites, which is onlineconvert.com. And we're going to go to image converter. We're going to select JPEG, click go. Now we're just going to go to our downloads folder. We're going to drag and drop that PDF in here. So let's move this off screen. Okay, so here's my PDF right here. I'll drag and drop that in there. Okay, it's completely done. So now we're going to go down here, and we're going to put DPI as 300. Start conversion. Let's get rid of this add. Conversion in progress, conversion complete. There we go. So now we want to download it, and then now I'm going to bring it back over this over here, and this would be the newest one. And if I right click on it, I'll go to properties, go to details, and here we have 300 DPI. How simple and easy was that? Again, completely free to use. So let me know in the comments how it works out for you. Speaking of Canva, have you checked out this video where I show you exactly how to use Canva to create your book covers? Oh, you have? Well, then have you looked into BookBrush, which is kind of like Canva, but it's specifically made for authors? If not, check out this tutorial right here where Kathleen from BookBrush actually shows us how to use it. I'll catch you in those videos, and remember to write right.